In this video, I'm going to show you how you can update Waze app. So by updating Waze app, you'll be able to get the latest version of this app. You'll also be able to fix any issues related to Waze app. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, to update your Waze app, you need to go ahead and look for the latest version of this app either through Google Play Store or App Store. For my case, I'm on Android, and therefore I'll go ahead and search for Play Store app here and then open it. From here, go ahead and search for Waze app by its name. You should see a search bar on top here. However, if you can't find the search bar on top here, go down and you should see a search icon here. If you tap on it, you will see a search bar. Go ahead and just search for Waze like this. Then to search, tap on the icon below. And here is our Waze app. If I tap on it, you can see we have an update, which means I've been using an outdated version of Waze app. To get the latest version of this app, go ahead and tap on update. And this will go ahead and download the latest version of Waze navigation and live traffic app and then install it on your smartphone. Now, once the app has been installed, you can proceed and tap on open to start using the latest version of Waze app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.